If you want to unlink your Discord account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access the Discord website through your web browser. Step 2. Go to User Settings. In the Discord interface, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the User Settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Connections. In the User Settings menu, find and select the Connections option from the list on the left side. This section shows all the accounts linked to your Discord. Step 4. Find Facebook connection. Look for the Facebook icon among the listed connections. Once you find it, hover over the Facebook connection to reveal the options available. Step 5. Unlink Facebook. Click on the X or Remove button next to the Facebook connection. Confirm the action when prompted to successfully unlink your Facebook account from Discord. After completing these steps, your Discord account will no longer be connected to Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Discord support.